Hi guys, my name's Yvonne. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've been here before, then welcome back. I know, long time no video, but here we go again. I wanted to share this extremely easy ribbed scarf pattern with you guys. I made these a few years ago. My mom actually had this pattern that she just worked up herself, and I know there's a lot of different ones like this everywhere. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is. I have shared them in our Facebook group. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to tell you exactly what you're going to need to make these super easy scarves. All right, the materials that we're going to be using today are, I love this yarn. It's a number 4 worsted weight yarn. You can use any brand you'd like. You need a pair of scissors. We're using a size K 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. I love this Clover Amour brand. And we need a couple stitch markers. So go ahead guys, grab your materials and let's get hooking. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start with the slip knot. Now I will only be doing a swatch for this video. So I will be chaining 21. For my scarf, I chained 181. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to yarn over. We're going to pull that yarn through the loop on your hook. That's your first chain. Yarn over. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now go ahead and continue until you have your 181 chains, and I will meet you back here when I'm done. All right, so I'm done with my chains. Now I'm going to be working in the back bumps of the chain that we just made. You can work here in these back loops here if you'd like to. I just feel it gives it a better finish when the scarf is done. Again, it's entirely up to you. This entire project is going to be worked in half double crochets, okay? So let's go ahead. We're going to yarn over. You're going to skip that first chain and you're going to go into the second one. Again, I'm working in the back bumps, so we're going to go ahead, insert your hook in that little back bump right there, bring up the yarn through that stitch, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and go through all 3. Okay, that's your first half double crochet. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, bring that yarn through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and go through all 3. And that's your second. So I like to mark my first stitch of each round. All right, so take your stitch marker and just place it right there. And this is all we're doing. So continue doing your half double crochets all the way down for row 1, and I will meet you at the end of row 1. All right, so I am done with row 1. Now we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to turn our work. Now this is going to be a repeat row. Okay, so, and again, we'll be working half double crochets. In the first stitch, in the last stitch, we will be working through both loops. In the stitches in the middle, we will be working in the back loop only. Okay, so yarn over, and here's your first stitch. You're going to insert under both of those loops, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, and go through all 3. Yarn over, and you're going to want to twist your work a little bit, and then not the front loop, but we're going to go in the back loop here. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull it through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and go through all 3. Yarn over, back loop only, pull up your yarn like that, and then yarn over, go through all 3. And again, we're going to be using our stitch marker to mark that first stitch right there. Just like that. So go ahead, continue all the way down to the end of row 2. All right, so I'm at the last stitch of row 2. So let's go ahead, take that stitch marker out. And again, we're working under both loops. And working that last half double crochet, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. All right, so again, you're just going to repeat what we just did. I did 13 rows on my scarf, and that gave me a 6-inch scarf. If you want yours wider, then just make more rows. I will be back and show you how to add fringe. You don't have to add fringe, but if you want to, that's our next step, is adding the fringe. All right, so you're going to want to cut your yarn to like 12-inch strips like this. And what we're going to do, I use 3. You're going to fold them in half like that. Grab your hook. You're going to insert it here at the end of your scarf. And then pull it through like that. And then this is where we're going to hide this tail. All right, so you're just going to put this in here like that. Put your fingers through, grab the strands, and then pull it up like that. Just like that. All right, we'll do a couple more. Okay, fold it in half. Insert your hook right here in the next little stitch. Pull it through. Put your fingers in there like that. And then pull it through like that. And this is all we're doing all the way down. I think I did about 16 or 17 evenly spaced across. Okay, go ahead and do the next one. And just like that. And then afterwards, I just went ahead and trimmed the bottom just to make them all nice and even. All right, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. I also have a matching headband, and there's a beanie that are all ribbed just like this. So I will put the link up there for you to go check those out. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy hooking.